Welcome to the Tenorshare AI channel. Today, we're testing whether BypassGPT can successfully bypass AI detection tools, such as Tenorshare AI Bypass. If you're curious about the results, stay tuned. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel for more honest AI tool reviews. BypassGPT claims to transform AI-generated text into human-like writing that passes AI detectors, including Turnitin, using models trained on 200 million documents. Their pricing ranges from $12/month for 30,000 words to $30/month for unlimited use. But does it really work? I used chatgpt to generate a 300-word article, then processed it through BypassGPT for a humanized touch. Let's review the results. The chatgpt original, 100% flagged as AI, by BypassGPT and Tenorshare AI Bypass's AI writing detector. BypassGPT version, also 100% flagged by the AI-generated text detector. However, the text humanized by Tenorshare AI Bypass successfully passed BypassGPT's detection. While both humanized outputs were fairly readable, the BypassGPT version was still detected as AI. This indicates that BypassGPT is neither a reliable AI to human text converter nor an effective AI detection bypass tool. Instead of relying on tools that claim to create undetectable AI text, it's better to focus on producing authentic, original work. If you're still looking for a better solution, let me introduce a superior tool, the best AI humanizer Tenorshare AI Bypass. This tool meets most requirements for humanizing AI text by identifying common AI language and replacing it with more natural, humanized AI content. Not only does it easily pass AI text detectors, but it also ensures high-quality content. Click the link in the comments for a free trial. The tool scans and rewrites text effectively, balancing originality with readability. If you need to humanize AI essays or bypass AI detectors, Tenorshare AI Bypass is the best choice. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Got a tool you'd like me to test? Let me know in the comments.